Hello everyone, welcome you all in our YouTube channels and studies. So today I am going to teach you relation between the zero and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. So as you know that quadratic polynomial has degree 2, तो उसके कितने zeros होंगे? 2 zeros होंगे. So we know that the standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. ओके, सो हम लेट करेंगे, लेट अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द zeros of given polynomial. So now we have to find out sum of zeros. Now relationship हमें find out करनी है. So we write sum of zeros equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So we can say that alpha plus beta equals to minus, what is the coefficient of x? And coefficient of x is b and the coefficient of x square is a. So we can write minus b upon a. And product of zeros. So product of zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. So we can write further alpha into beta equals to c upon a. So ये दो फॉर्मूले हो गए. अभी हमें क्या करना है, इन्हीं को ही हमें क्वेश्चन में यूज़ करके वेरीफाई करना है. So here is our example. So here is an example. Find the zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x minus 12 and verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficient. To solve, so we let p of x equals to 2x square plus 5x minus 12. So our first work is to factorize this by splitting middle term method. So we have to find out, so we do constant term is 12 and coefficient of x square is 2. We multiply this, then we get 24 and we have to split 24 in such a way that their difference and sum should be equal to 5 and product should be equal to 24. So we get 8 and 3. So we write here 2x square plus 8 minus 3 into x minus 12. So we write here 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. So from these two terms we can take common 2x, then we get here x plus 4 and here we can take common minus 3. So we get here x plus 4. So now we can take common x plus 4 and here we get 2x minus 3. So as first of all we have to find out its zeros. So we write here therefore p of x equals to 0. So x plus 4 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So it means that x plus 4 equals to 0 or 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 4 or 2x equals to 3 and then x equals to 3 by 2. So therefore minus 4 and 3 by 2 are the zeros of p of x. are the zeros of p of x. सो नाउ अभी हमें इनको रिलेशनशिप को वेरीफाई करना है. सो वी राइट हियर sum of zeros. So sum of zeros is, first is -4 plus 3 upon 2. So when we take LCM and then we solve, so -4 into 2 is -8 plus 3 upon 2, which means -5 upon 2, and that means minus, okay, 5 upon 2, and it means that minus, and now look here, 5 is the coefficient of x, so we write here coefficient of x upon, and 2 is the coefficient of x square, so we write here coefficient of x square. Now next is product of zeros. Product of zeros, so then -4 into 3 upon 2. So when we multiply, then we get -12 upon 2. So now look, -12 here, the constant term. So we write here constant term upon, and 2 is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square. So hence we get our result, so we write here hence verified. So आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. So thank you everyone and stay tuned.